Changing the currency in Interactive Brokers is a crucial step when dealing with multiple currencies or managing international trades. Here's a simple guide on how to change your currency settings. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Interactive Brokers account using the Trader Workstation or IBKR Web Trader platform. Navigate to Account Settings. In TWS, click on the Account menu at the top, then select Settings from the drop-down. In IBKR Web Trader, click on your profile icon in the top right and select Settings. Currency Settings. In the Settings menu, locate the Currency section. This is where you can configure or adjust your account's base currency. Select the desired currency. To change your base currency, simply select your preferred currency from the drop-down list. Note that the base currency determines how your account balance is displayed. Confirm changes. After selecting the desired currency, save or apply the changes. You may need to verify changes by entering your new password or using two-factor authentication for security purposes. Review your account. After changing the currency, review your account and ensure that all transactions reflect the correct currency.